I remember the very first event that I did. I was made to carry this 16-channel analog mixer. This thing was very heavy, and I had to carry this thing up the stairs. And you know, being the first day, you know, working with this band, I just to kind of stick it out and be like, I'm strong, you know, and I did that. When I then worked on some international shows, you know, as the journey continued, just seeing the equipment that is used, I started learning more now that, you know what, the equipment that you use also affects the quality of the expression of the artist. It then brought me to a place now, when I work with my clients, I have higher expectations on them. You know, that my concern is not really much on the budget. My concern is on what do you want to get done, and then we get the equipment that basically gets that job done. Like now, I've done an event for people like Tiesto, who's one of the biggest DJs in the world, where we had to hire equipment from UK to be flown to Africa to use it at an event. And that is what I want for Africa, you know. I don't just want something that works as the right thing, you know. I would want us to get the right things to be used. I then say to myself, 100 years from now, I want, when they talk about Africa, when they talk about the change of the industry, I want my name to be on that list of the people who were influential in making that change. Since 2010, I then started doing these seminars for sound engineers in 2 African countries now, and my goal is to do them in every African country. And I could offer myself for free, and I could use the money that these high-profile clients pay me to basically pay for the venue and buy biscuits. I then started it. Because I started that project, I've heard different brands, influential brands, approach me and say, remember, can we work with you, because we also want to get our brand into Africa. And I basically want that change to come from Africa and even influence the rest of the world.